Ever wondered about the new laws in Saudi Arabia regarding labor recruitment? Well, it's a topic that's been making headlines recently, and today we dive into the story behind it. Saudi Arabia is laying out plans to tackle the issue of illegal labor recruitment. The scheme focuses on recruiters who hire labor from abroad, aiming to impose fines of up to 1 million riyals on them. These fines are not just for show. They are part of a wider strategy to eradicate the shadowy world of illegal labor recruitment. The Ministry of Human Resources in the Saudi Kingdom has proposed to criminalize the process of recruiting workers from abroad under a draft scheme. The scheme stipulates that in cases of recruitment of one or more workers from abroad, fines ranging from 200,000 to 1 million riyals will be imposed on recruiters if they fail to provide jobs. Saudi news website Akhbar 24 Inches reported that the ministry will be responsible for identifying violations and bringing cases before the public prosecution for examination. The Ministry of Human Resources says the purpose of the proposed amendments in the labor system is to criminalize brokerage in phantom labor. So, what did we learn today? Saudi Arabia is taking bold steps to tackle illegal labor recruitment, with plans to impose hefty fines on those who recruit workers from abroad and fail to provide them with jobs. These steps are part of a broader strategy to eradicate illegal labor practices and ensure fair treatment for all workers. Remember, change doesn't happen overnight. It's a process, and Saudi Arabia's journey to reform its labor system is just beginning. Keep an eye on this space as we continue to explore these developments. Until next time, stay curious and stay informed.